Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to redeem a Spotify premium code. Firstly, visit spotify.com/redeem and reveal your code. Scratch off the pin cover of the back of your gift card using a coin or card. Type the premium code or gift card code into the text box and use the drop-down menu to pick and pin your location. Now to confirm you're not a robot, take the CAPTCHA check mark and then click continue and your Spotify gift card will be redeemed and applied to your account balance. Gift cards only work for Spotify premium individual plans, not for you, family or student. Make sure your account region matches the country where the card was purchased. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.